going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're doing a nice build review on my 23 Colorado. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so this is like build 1.5. We got a lot more things coming for it right now, so let's start up on the front end right here. Alright, so starting out up front right here, we have the DV8 prototype bumper. So this guy is a very, very big replacement considering the OEM Z71 and non-ZR2 trucks. They come with a plastic front bumper, so this guy is a nice heavy-duty steel bumper. It is winch capable, so you can run any size winch that you want inside this bumper right here. And then on top of that, we have these DV8 D-ring clevises right here. So those guys, you just use a socket bolted on right there onto the D-rings. And on the bumper, you can run 2 pod lights and then dual 20s up front right here in this grill mesh area. So you can run some light bars, light pods on this guy. And right now, inside of my bumper, I have some DV8 lights that I'm testing out as well. And also, we don't have a winch in it right now. I'm still trying to figure out what winch I want. I don't want it to be too heavy, but I don't want it to be too small. So on the bumper right here, for the winch, we have a DV8 fair lead. This is all a billet aluminum piece, so that's really nice. Really nice quality and finish on this guy. Also up front right here, we have the Extreme Vehicle Productions fog light bezel. And then inside of that guy, we have the Baja Design Squadron. We have a driving spot combo right there. And I'm loving this. Any non-ZR2 trucks, definitely get these. The Z71 fog lights are trash. And the trailboss doesn't even come with them. But these guys, you can run some fog lights on your truck. So definitely check these guys out. So swinging on the hood right here, we have the Colorado Canyon Enthusiast ditch light brackets. Really nice little ditch light brackets for this truck. And then we have the rigid, I'm not sure what type of rigid lights, but this one has the amber covers, which is pretty cool. So you can run white light, or you can slap these puppies on and get a nice amber color right there. So I'm digging this setup. I had some other lights on here before, but I ended up getting these bad boys back on the truck because they're just better lights. They're based out in Chandler, kind of where I live. So shout out to these guys. Some pretty nice lights. All right, so swinging over to the shoes of the rig, we have some Falcon wildpeak MTs. These are 315 70 R17s. Hi, buddy. Hi. No. So we got some Falcon tires. Love me some Falcon tires. Falcon tires have always treated me really good. And then we have some Method 315s, I'm pretty sure. 315s, they're 17 by 8.5. Zero offset, but we threw some 1.5 inch wheel spacers on there just because we're a little redneck. And so far I'm loving the setup. They definitely did rub a bunch, but we kind of got the bumper going on and everything, so kind of just have the wheel wells all the fender liners all chopped out on the top side. We still have all this on the inside, but yeah, so if you're trying to run 35s, 1250s with a 2-inch lift, it's gonna rub a little bit. But so as it goes for the lift, we have a leveled up 2 to 1. So 2 inch in the front, 1 in the rear. We have the drops shackle in the rear. And so far it's doing the job. It's lifting the truck. Hopefully getting suspension sometime soon. So I'm very excited about that because we definitely need some suspension. And a lot of people ask about these Tacoma colored hubcaps, but they're just we're a Tacoma killer, you know. We gotta run something like that, right? So yeah, the Method guy sent me those, and I thought it was really funny. So we're just running with them. Okay, so what we got going on for protection right here is we have the ZR2 OEM sliders. They are body mounted, but I've done some damage on them already. There's no sorts of damage on my rocker panels right here, so they're doing the job. We've used them a couple of times, so it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get something else pretty soon. All right, so we're gonna swing over here to the Badlands Industries thingy, and we got all the lights on. Check out our light setup right now. So we got the ambers up top. We could take those covers off if we want. We got the Baja Designs, and then we got the DVA lights. Definitely puts out a good amount of light out. Loving this setup. So looking good. It's beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is actually Superstition Mountain, and everybody goes missing out here, so let's hope we can make it home, you know, let's hopefully, but so beautiful out here in Arizona. It's definitely gonna get a lot more hot outside as it goes for making videos. It's been kind of a hassle. The last year I was doing YouTube, it was just really hot outside, so we're still gonna stick with you guys and still get some content. 115 degrees out. You'll probably see my nipples. My shirt's gonna be off. We're gonna be sweating, but we're gonna be out here having fun. Hopefully, we're gonna be doing a lot of mountain trips coming up pretty soon. But the desert is going to be too hot. So, okay. For the sleeping arrangements, we have a Pantheon Orion tent, and it's a hard shell tent. It's pretty freaking rad. It does come with like the bike rack on top, or the roof rack type of deal for the tent. I took that off for now. Eventually, we'll get something going on. My bike got stolen, so that's awesome. If you guys want to see any BMX clips and videos, let me know down in the comment section, because I do ride BMX and I'm pretty decent, and I would love it if you guys loved it, so I'd definitely film some cool skate park clips for you guys on my channel. For the bed rack I have right here, it is the DV8 MTO bed rack for the mid-size trucks. It is universal, so you can pretty much run it on any type of mid-size truck. And I love this thing. Super sleek, keeps the aerodynamics pretty good. You can pretty much mount whatever you want off the side of these kind of molly panel areas. And they have light mounts right here on the inside, so you can kind of shoot lights off this way as well. We're kind of dialing it in again after putting the new production model on the truck after I ran the prototype for a while. So this bed rack is pretty sick, so definitely check these guys out. They got a cool bed rack, and I'm loving it. Alright, the rear bumper, I have the DV8 prototype bumper right here, and so far I'm loving it. Super high clearance, so you're not going to hit any of those steps that all the other trucks have. You know, they have the little step assist on the side right there. So yeah, you can mount any type of cube lights on the sides right here. Retains all of your parking sensors, your blind spot monitors, pretty much everything factory. You know, you can use your hitch plug, got your backup lights and everything. Yeah, this bumper's pretty cool. The quality is really nice. Bumper comes with these nice heavy duty D-rings right here, so you can be pulling out all those Toyotas. Really nice bumper. The front and rear bumper should be hopefully in the works for production for everybody else to buy. Alright, so underneath the truck that you guys cannot see is I have a peak add leaf in the rear. That really helps out with all the weight on the truck and all the stuff, you know, that we bring around, go camping and overload the truck with. The add leaf definitely helps out a lot. And then we have the timber and bump stops, which is a game changer. If you guys are like having a really rough ride in the rear, throw some new bump stops on there. The OEM Chevy ones are really hard, and the timber and ones are really soft, so when you're bouncing around on the trails, you don't feel it as much. So definitely invest in some of the quality bump stops right there. Alright, we also have the MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust, and it sounds really good, but we've been driving around all day, and we probably will not get a cold start, so let's hear it right now. It's pretty nice for a little 4-cylinder, you know what I mean? So definitely a big upgrade as exhaust snow goes. And we also have the Boomba Racing blow-out valve in the front, which sounds pretty cool. I'll get you guys a little whoosh, whoosh noises right now. not bad for a little 4-banger. Alright guys, that's about it for today's video. If you have any questions about my build, make sure to throw it down in the comments, let me know. I respond to all your guys' comments, and I'm here to help you guys. So let me know if you have any questions down there. If you're in the market to buy any of this stuff on my truck, check the description. If you're here to support me, check out my merch, DOWNTIMELOST.com, and I'll put that in the description as well. But I think we're gonna go hit the rest of this trail and have a good rest of the weekend. So I appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. I love you so much. Peace out. Bye.